This is our entrance now. They have a door jam. They have a plaster. The stairs. Parker box. Mas ibong.
Hindi bag si. Hindi bag pumalang.
Septic tank. Septic. And now, this is a cistern. Ibutan ng hose dire ya. Para na istak tubig.
Ang exit na to ba diara ilawang sa chlorine?
Overflow.
Punta dire.
Di
Habog ra.
habo gamay. Sister tank 3 by 3.5 by 2.5. The depth is 2 meters. We are now on the back. This is our master's bedroom. We start plastering of the master's, and this is a toilet for the master's bedroom. We have a piping now for the shower area, the water closet, and this is the lavatory. And we go to inside. There's a hallway, and this is also
Cancel na na isa.
this is also the common toilet, the piping. Now we are here in kitchen area, the bedroom 2 or bedroom 1. This is a 1 and 2. We put back peeling again. It's too much high. Bedroom 2. Back peeling. This is a main door.